paper. Can you hear it? Oh, texture. Has to go. Easiest way to do it, just peel off the front. This is called a blown vinyl wallpaper. It's quite plasticky, but it's good because the backing paper stays nicely on the wall. You just grab a bit and pull, woohoo, and it all comes off. So it's a really good way of removing the texture, but without having to bother to take all that backing paper off. Because if you were going to take that off, you'd have to steam it, scrape it all off, and then it would all land on the floor and it's all gooey and wet and sticky. It's not very nice. But under here, the man who lived here before was quite a kind of expert DIYer, and he insulated these walls using cork. And the cork is glued to the wall in dollop, like that. It's like cork on a roll, but it's just glued to the wall. So to get all that off will be a right pain, and it will make big marks on the wall. So the best way to get this smooth is literally just peel it off. So really I should start at the bottom, but because I'm trying to show you, I'm going to start in a random bit in the middle. And look how easy it comes off. Oh, it's actually really satisfying. And it's even more satisfying knowing that I'm not going to have to steam all of this underneath and get all the cork off and make it all good just to get a smooth surface. And I've already got one. There's one right here, just under this textured paper. Don't waste time, don't waste time. Do it a quick way.